So here I am, driving home from dropping the kids off, and they have speed bumps at the school, and I heard a little ting noise when I went over the speed bumps, and I didn't really think anything of it. But then I'm driving, and I hit the gas a little bit, and now listen. So I'm guessing that the exhaust was falling down off the manifold, and finally a bolt probably disappeared. And I'm gonna have a pretty much open manifold. So I'll video it. I'll show you guys what it was when I get home and check it out.